everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today we will discuss about the periapical abscess. Periapical abscess occurs when the bacteria invades the dental pulp, that is the innermost portion of the tooth that contains nerve, blood vessels and connective tissues. Bacteria enters through either a dental cavity or a chip or a crack in the tooth and passes all the way down to the root. A dental abscess are the pocket of the pus and they occur at the different regions of the tooth for the different reason. Periapical abscess occurs at the tip of the root.
Periapical tooth abscess usually occurs as a result of an untreated dental cavity, an injury or prior dental work. Dentists will treat a tooth abscess by draining it and getting rid of the infection. They may be able to save your teeth with a root canal treatment, but in some cases the tooth may need to be pulled. Leaving your tooth abscess untreated can lead to serious, even life-threatening complications. Now we'll talk about the symptoms. What are the symptoms for periapical abscess? Sign and symptoms of both the tooth abscess that includes number 1. Severe persistent throbbing toothache that can radiate to the jawbone, neck and ear. Number 2. Sensitivity to hot and cold temperature. Number 3. Sensitivity to the pressure of chewing or biting. Number 4 is fever. Number 5 is swelling in your face and cheek. Number 6. Tender swollen lymph nodes under your jaw or in your neck. Number 7. Sudden rush of foul smelling and foul tasting, salty fluid in your mouth and pain relief if the abscess ruptures. And last one is the difficulty in breathing or swallowing. Now the question is, when to see a doctor? See your dentist promptly if you have any sign or symptoms of a tooth abscess. If you have a fever or swelling in your face and you can't reach your dentist, go to an emergency room. Also go to the emergency room if you have trouble in breathing and swallowing. These symptoms may indicate that the infection has spread deeper into your jaw and surrounding tissue or even to other areas of your body. Now we'll see the causes. What are the causes for periapical abscess? A periapical tooth abscess occurs when bacteria invades a dental pulp. Pulp is the innermost portion of the tooth that contains blood vessels, nerves and connective tissues. Now we'll see the risk factors. What are the risk factors to cause the tooth abscess? Number 1 is poor dental hygiene. Not taking proper care of your teeth and gums, such as not brushing your teeth twice a day and not flossing, can increase your risk of tooth decay, gum disease, tooth abscess and other dental and mouth complications. Number 2 is a diet high in sugar. Frequently eating and drinking food rich in sugar, such as sweets and sodas, can contribute to dental cavities and turn into a tooth abscess. Number 3 is a dry mouth. Having a dry mouth can increase your risk of tooth decay. Dry mouth is often due to the side effects of certain medications or aging issues. Last is the complication. What are the complications? A tooth abscess won't go away without treatment. If the abscess ruptures, the pain may decrease significantly, but you still need dental treatment. If the abscess doesn't drain, the infection may spread to your jaw and to other areas of your head and neck. You might even develop sepsis, a life-threatening infection that spread throughout your body. If you have weakened immune system and you leave a tooth abscess untreated, your risk of spreading infection increases even more. Now we'll see the prevention. How do you prevent the tooth abscess? Avoiding tooth decay is essential to prevent a tooth abscess. Take good care of your teeth to avoid tooth decay. Use fluoridated drinking water. Brush your teeth at least twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste. Use dental floss or an interdental cleaner to clean between your teeth on a daily basis. Replace your toothbrush every 3 or 4 months or whenever the bristles are frayed. Eat healthy food, limiting sugary items and between meal snacks. Visit your dentist for regular checkups and professional cleaning. Consider using an antiseptic or a fluoride mouth rinse to add an extra layer of protection against tooth decay. Now we'll talk about the diagnosis. How the doctor will diagnose the tooth abscess. Tap on your teeth. A tooth that has an abscess at its root is generally sensitive to touch or pressure. Recommended an X-ray. An X-ray of the aching tooth can help identify an abscess. Easy way at home treatment, you have to do the salt water rinse. This easy and affordable solution can provide effective temporary relief of your abscessed tooth. It can also encourage wound healing and healthy gums.
So friends, if you are having a pain on biting, or there is a pain at night, or there is a small boil below the gums at the tip of the root, then you have to visit the dentist, because dentist is the right person. He will guide you correctly. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.